Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you something. If I suddenly asked you to stand up and introduce yourself in English right now, how confident would you feel? Would the words come out smoothly, or would you freeze, not knowing where to begin? Well, don't worry. You are not alone. One of the most common challenges English learners face is how to introduce themselves in a simple, clear, and confident way. The good news is, once you learn a few easy steps, introducing yourself becomes natural, and it's something you can use in everyday life, from meeting new friends, to interviews, to classrooms, and even online. Today, I'm going to give you a complete guide step by step on how to introduce yourself in English. Think of this video as your beginner's roadmap. By the end, you'll not only know the words to say, but also how to say them naturally, without fear or confusion. So let's dive in. Before we start practicing, let's understand why self-introductions are so important. Your introduction is usually the first impression people have of you. It tells others who you are, where you're from, and what you're about. If you can do this clearly, people will feel more comfortable talking with you. It opens the door for conversations, friendships, and opportunities. And the best part? Self-introductions don't need to be complicated. They are short, simple, and often follow a pattern. Once you know this pattern, you can adapt it for any situation. Let's break it down. A clear introduction in English usually has 4 simple parts. Greeting, how you start the conversation. Name who you are. Basic facts, where you're from, what you do, or what you like. Closing line, a polite sentence to finish. That's it. For steps, let's go through each one. Every introduction begins with a greeting. Depending on the situation, you can use simple phrases. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. If it's more formal, you can say, nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. If it's informal, with friends or classmates, you can simply say, hey, what's up? Hi, how's it going? Remember, the tone of your greeting sets the mood. A friendly smile and eye contact can make you sound much more confident. After greeting, you give your name. There are a few natural ways to do this. I'm your name. My name is your name. You can call me nickname. For example, I'm Sarah. Hello, my name is David. I'm Jonathan, but you can call me John. If you want to sound a little more polite in formal settings, use my name is. If you're with friends or peers, I'm is simple and natural. Now we add details to help others understand who you are. This is where you share short information about yourself. There are a few common categories. Where you're from. I'm from India. I come from Brazil. I live in New York. What you do, work or study. I'm a student. I work as a teacher. I'm studying engineering. Your interests or hobbies. I like playing football. I enjoy reading books. My hobby is cooking. For beginners, keep it short. You don't need to say everything. Just choose 1 or 2 details. Example, I'm from Japan. I'm a student, and I like playing video games. I live in London. I'm a doctor, and I enjoy traveling. Notice how each sentence is simple and easy to understand. Finally, you end your introduction politely. Here are some natural closing lines. Nice to meet you. It's great to be here. I'm happy to meet you. I look forward to working with you. Example, Iman. I'm from Germany, and I enjoy music. Nice to meet you. That sounds complete, polite, and friendly. Now, let's put the 4 steps together in full examples. Example 1, simple, beginner level. Hello, my name is Carlos. I'm from Mexico. I'm a student. Nice to meet you. Example 2 with hobbies. I'm Maria. I live in Spain. I work as a nurse, and I love cooking. It's nice to meet you. Example 3, slightly more advanced. Good morning. My name is John. I'm from Canada, and I'm studying computer science. I enjoy hiking and photography. I look forward to getting to know you. See how easy it becomes once you follow the pattern. Greeting, name, basic facts, closing. Now, let's talk about mistakes beginners often make when introducing themselves. Speaking too fast. Many learners rush because they feel nervous. Slow down. Clear and simple is better than fast and unclear. Saying too much. You don't need your life story. Just 1 or 2 facts are enough for a short introduction. Using unnatural phrases. For example, don't say, myself is John. That's incorrect. The natural way is, I'm John or my name is John. Forgetting to smile. Body language is part of communication. A friendly smile makes you more approachable. Now you know the steps, let's talk about practice. How can you train yourself to introduce yourself confidently? Write it down. Write your own self-introduction using the 4 steps. Keep it short. Practice speaking aloud. Say it in front of a mirror. Record yourself on your phone. Listen and improve. Role play. Imagine you are in different situations. A classroom, a job interview, a party. Practice introducing yourself in each. Use repetition. The more times you practice, the easier it becomes. Soon, you won't even have to think, you'll just speak naturally. Now, let's go deeper. Depending on the situation, your introduction may change slightly. Let's look at 3 common ones. In a classroom or group study. Mali. I'm from Pakistan. I'm studying business. I'm happy to join this class. In a job interview. Good morning. My name is Rachel. I'm from the United States. I have a background in marketing, and I enjoy working with creative teams. I look forward to contributing my skills. In casual social settings. Hey, I'm Tom. I live in London. I love football and music. Nice to meet you. Notice how the level of detail and formality changes depending on where you are. Here are some extra tips to make your self-introduction sound more natural. Use contractions. Instead of I am, say I'm. Instead of I will, say I'll. Keep sentences short. Long sentences are harder to say and harder to understand. Use a natural tone, not robotic. Imagine you're talking to a friend. Add a question at the end, like, and you? This invites the other person to speak too. Example, I'm Sarah. I'm from Canada. I enjoy reading. Nice to meet you. And you? This creates a 2-way conversation instead of a one-sided speech. Here's a quick challenge for you. Pause for a moment and create your own self-introduction using the 4 steps. Can be just 3 or 4 sentences. Say it out loud. Remember, greeting, name, basic facts, closing. Do this every day for 1 week. By the end of the week, introducing yourself in English will feel natural. Section 13, Encouragement and Motivation. Before we wrap up, let me say this. Learning to introduce yourself may seem like a small step, but it's one of the most powerful skills you can learn. Why? Because it builds confidence. Once you can start a conversation in English, everything else becomes easier. Asking questions, making friends, joining discussions, even giving presentations. Think of your self-introduction as your key to unlock opportunities. The more you practice, the more doors will open. So today, we covered a complete step-by-step guide on how to introduce yourself in English. We learned the 4-part formula: greeting, name, basic facts, and closing line. We practiced examples, looked at common mistakes, and even explored different situations like classrooms, interviews, and social settings. Now it's your turn. Write your own self-introduction. Practice it every day until it becomes natural. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it with a friend who is also learning English, and subscribe to the channel for more simple guides like this one. Your support helps us create more lessons to help you become confident in English. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.